Hi, I'm Travis Boyd, the operations manager here for Interstate Van Lines in Dulles, Virginia. Here at Dulles, we have 65,000 square feet dedicated to handling just about any storage or distribution need, whether it be short-term or long-term. We're here to help. What really matters to us is peace of mind. Every part of this facility is monitored 24/7 with advanced security and fire protection systems in place. We support leading technology companies, hospitals, and federal agencies, managing everything from receiving an inventory to delivery and installation for both logistics and household goods needs. With our web-based inventory system, you can track and manage your assets in real time, anytime. If you're looking for a warehousing partner you can rely on near Dulles, let's start the conversation. Give us a call if we can help you out, or visit us at moveinterstate.com.